My son was 10 when I taught him how to put makeup on. Because he had a birthmark that covered his face. But one day, his classmates saw that he had a foundation on. And started mocking him. I asked Billy to come out and paid the kids so that they would be kinder to my son. I didn't see a problem in making his life easier. The money worked immediately. One of the boys let Billy score penalty. And another one deliberately missed the ball. So my son would experience the joy of scoring a goal. I'm proud of you, Billy. They say you can't buy happiness, but I disagree. My boy was a man of the match, and it didn't cost me much. Since that day, Billy didn't have any issues with his classmates. I made a football field in the backyard, where he used to spend the whole day, running around with his friends year after year. One day, I went outside and noticed that Billy was all alone. I asked where his friends were, but Billy didn't want to talk about it. As it turned out, the boys grew up and started going out with girls. Billy was very shy because of his peculiarity, so much that he didn't even dare to talk to anyone. So I decided to find Billy a girlfriend. I checked social media to find out which girl he liked the most. It ended up being Kathy, the most popular girl in school. Luckily for me, Kathy had a dream: to save enough money for a gorgeous prom dress. And we quickly made a deal. Billy got a girlfriend. I was very happy because my boy's confidence grew. And he no longer kept his birthmark covered. Before prom, I bought Kathy a fabulous dress, as well as a fancy tuxedo for Billy. Feeling a great sense of accomplishment, I made myself comfortable to watch my boy rock at prom. But when I opened Kathy's page, I noticed that she went with another guy. Billy saw it too and demanded an explanation from her, so she told him everything.
Your mom doesn't have enough money to make me go to prom with someone like you.
When I rushed over there, I caught Billy in a fit of rage. He accused me of turning his life into a mockery. I tried to explain that all I had done was with the best interests in mind. But my son didn't listen to me.
Do you know how awful is this to stand here alone with this stain?
After these words, I went to the restroom and washed my makeup off to reveal the birthmark on my face. I wanted to show my son that I was with him, fully ready to endure the ridicule of others. For me, it was a big step, because 20 years ago, I didn't dare to show up to my prom. I walked out of the restroom, but I couldn't find Billy. As it turned out, he was on the dance floor with some pretty girl. And a few of his fans were standing aside watching him and sighing. Billy was quite popular with the girls and didn't know about it. They were all just waiting for him to break up with Kathy. I realized that I didn't have to help Billy. He didn't have anything wrong with him. I did. I left the party and went to the closest bar, this time without any makeup. Thanks to my son, I realized that my peculiarity is my own special magnet. It attracts people who are really good to me, while repelling those who aren't.